bringing you a one-of-a-kind automatic light grip tool across the entire web. Materialized light grip for cycles. Search industrial and get it now. After finished, the panel appears below industrial AOV connector. To properly use, you need to place the lights that you will use into collections whose names start with LGT_. Note that if the collection is not enabled, it will not be captured. Numbers after the ... will be ignored during creation. So if you want to reuse a certain light group, you can take advantage of this feature. If you want to render on the cloud farm, you need to click the button below when preparing the files. Remember to use along with industrial AOV connector. I also wrote a companion auto shuffle script for nuke. Get the documentation and nuke script from GitHub. Next is a simple demonstration in nuke.